Hello everyone, have a nice day. Welcome to my DIY Top 1 channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a way to make a welding machine. Simple at home with the tools available. Let's get started. Take time to understand each step. If you're having trouble with anything, let me know in the comments, and I'll help you. What country are you from? Leave me a comment. It's amazing when I can talk to people from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click the sign up button. I'm glad to see your support. After having make a hole in the feed rail, let's use nails through that hole and fix it. Take it. Blue wires through that hole in the nail. Then we'll also peel off the outer shell. Use copper core inside. Do the same as in the video. Then use the insulating adhesive tape to wrap. Prepare a battery. Peel off the outer shell. Let's cut one more line. Take a core inside. Bite into the drill. Use sandpaper for grinding. Put that passage in that nail. The rest of the wires. You also remove the outer layer and get the copper core. Just like in the video. Use electrical adhesive tape to wrap. the remaining red wire. We also cut the outer shell. Take a pin and click on that pin. Fixed with adhesive tape. Let's prepare a battery, as in the video. The gripper to the pin. Let's start now. Try welding these two blades together. If you find it helpful, please like to subscribe to the channel to support me. Let more people know about this trick. I wish you success.